What's good? What's good, everybody? Hey, it's your boy Willie, and I'm back again. I'm back because I feel good. I feel great, and I hope all y'all feel good. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe. I'm gonna keep more content coming. Hey, I just got my setup, my little camera, but I'm back. So let me tell you something. There was a lot of FUD going on in the Pokemon community when it came to the trading cards for these promos. Okay? These are the Pikachu Van Gogh promo cards. And I guess Pokemon decided to split the shipments up. So a lot of people were thinking, oh, they wasn't going to get their card. Let's do chargebacks. Let's do chargebacks, and let's hold Pokemon responsible because they didn't send out cards. Y'all be patient. Everybody wants stuff so fast. Be patient. It's going to come. Why would they do something like that? Now, if they oversold, I can understand that. But they made it to where you had to spend $30 and you had to buy a booster bundle, sealed blister pack. You know me, I bought some Lost Origin. I bought Lost Origins, and I got, let me see here. I got some Obsidian Flames, you know. I already ripped Obsidian Flames. I haven't ripped any Fusion Strike. I got a few Fusion Strike blisters here. But guess what? I might rip that Fusion Strike, but I had to rip the Lost Origins. I wish I would have did it on camera for y'all. You know, I just did this not too long ago. I was talking to one of my friends, and I said, man, you talking real good today. You maybe want to rip some cards. So, shoot, I decided to do a little rip. And don't forget, I still got the promos, too. That is the beautiful part about it. You still get your promo card. Me, I'm going to keep mine sealed, and I might send it in to get graded. The grading game, I got my feelings about it. I don't like that it's still depending on the human and how their day is going that day. You know, they might have had a bad night. They might have had a bad morning. So they might say, shoot, I'm giving 8s and 9s and 7s today. But that's neither here nor there. But yeah, I hit a few cards, you know. What's there? I hit a few cards out of my Lost Origins. And now remind you, I still get my promos. And I'm going to take these cards and I'm going to just put them in my stash. You know, I got the fat Pikachu. It's definitely off-centered on the back, but who cares? It's top heavy. It's going into my PC. This is the fun of the hobby. I get to rip. I hit something nice that I'm going to be able to enjoy. But also I get the nice promo card. I can care less if this promo card go down to $30. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the art, man. It's about the art. So it was a whole bunch of FUD earlier this week. People thinking that they're not getting their promo cards. Your promo cards are coming, people. Be patient. Take your time. The prices might dip on these cards too. It depends on how the reprints go. Will there be another reprint? You know, I'm hearing that the museum is going to reprint the cards or redistribute the cards in January, February. But is that a lot of cards? Who knows? Be careful who you listen to on YouTube too. These influencers, they'll have you going right when you really need to be going left. So make sure you do your research. No matter if you're messing with Pokemon cards, no matter if you're messing with crypto, sports cards, even if you're going to buy a new cell phone, do your research before purchasing. Think about it. Think about what you want. Think about what you need it for. Another thing I want to say is be ready for the deals come Black Friday. Have your money ready. Know what products that you're interested in and what you're looking forward to getting your hands on. And be ready to execute when it comes Black Friday. There will be a lot of deals to be had when it comes to the Pokemon product, when it comes to clothing, when it comes to sneakers, whatever, you know. But I got more footage coming for you. I got more videos coming. I just like to say what's on my mind. I'm into a lot of different things. I like sneakers, you know. I like Hot Wheels, you know. I like art. I like paintings. I like vinyls. Some things I hold, some things I flip. I'm into it all. But one thing that I do enjoy is other people's perspective on these different hobbies. You know, I got friends that got collections of shoes, you know, high end. You know, you got some people that collect 200-300 pair of shoes. Then you got some people that collect just 50 pair of shoes. And they all high end. So I like watching investment videos. I'm not really into like speculations, but speculations are fun. I try to pay attention a lot to the marketing that goes on behind these projects, because these big companies, they're all producing projects, and that's me. That's what I had on my chest today. Be careful who you listen to. Do your research. Do your due diligence, and go with your gut, because looking back later, but I wish I did that. We all wish we would have did that. Hey, I want to tell y'all, have a great day. Enjoy yourself. And remember, be blessed. Be blessed.